Dinah. Miss Shrimp. It bounced. I brought it home from the Red Lobster. You did not just do that after begging for like 2 hours. Are you kidding me? Dinah. You begged for that. Do you want a green bean? I got a lot of stuff here. I have this. They are very... Dinah. Eat that. Okay, bye.